Looks like those sell stops hit him pretty hard, right? Any rate, we'll go over all those trades just a second. Wow, what a morning. Dealing with someone who doesn't understand pictures is absolutely insane to me. But anyhow. Care. All right. Morning, D Nice. Morning, Peter P. Morning, Caleb. Morning, Metal Mine. Morning, guys. I have to get things rolling on TikTok next. Can you hear me okay, by the way? I believe you can, but I was having a sound issue. And is Jimmy don't care about is uh is Jimmy Hustle here loud and clear? Oh, cool. Thanks, Peter. Morning again, Mike, Michael, Candle, and good morning, Kim. Makes the best candles in the world. All right, let me get the TikTok up and rolling here. Oh, shit. Yeah. All right, let's go back to TikTok. Let's see. Show up to God, they can see it. All right, so when Jimmy Hustle comes on, we're going to try to do a a phone call only, because if he just looks at my charts, I don't see why he couldn't make the calls. So we'll see if he comes. Oh, what's up, Shaz, Jonathan? What's up, guys? Um, Morning, everybody. Be right with you. I am here. Sorry, give me just a second. I'm only a one sell stop right now, by the way, but give me just a second here. We're going to pull that up. All right. Let me handle one situation first. Give me just a second. Okay, so I set it up on my laptop, and that's what it looks like. So this is running that, just to be clear. I have set it to the ones I want, which is US 30, NAS 100, SPX 500, and then you set it to the EMA that I want. So just to make sure that this is running then, and we're all good, right? Just double check. Okay. All right, I'm working on different things. Sorry, guys. Sell stop 1 minute. All indices, by the way, should be in the trade though. Okay. Good morning, Kareem, Paul, Brian. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's pull up a trade that I got. Look at it go down. Wow, our sell stops. So I'm going to show you the power of the system. This is that account that started at $480 or something last week. Just so we're all on the same page. $400 account, just so we're clear. And somewhere along the way, which I swear I still can't believe I don't have enough room on this freaking computer. But anywho, this trade right here is the only one I have open in this account. I have two Bitcoin trades open also. I don't know if I'll be able to pull those up today because that computer is being used for something else. But at any rate, this account was $400 something last week, Monday, I think, or whatever, and now it's $7,000 in the account. I have one trade open, and then my account history, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is my last two trades in this account were $2,800 I took profit on. That was a long-term buy I had on NAS, but because of the big dip, it hit my take profit. That's a stop loss right there, but that's actually a take profit. And then the previous trade on that was whatever from the previous, I think the day before or something. I don't know. And those are my last two trades in that account. So it's 524 and 526. So those are those trades. So just so you know, and then the current trade, the only one I have open in this account is that 160. Well, it keeps making more and more money as it goes down. So that's that. Look at it drop. So I'm going to go ahead and say the 15-minute, 30-minute sell stops on all three of these have hit in. See, look at perfect entry on US 30. Oh my God. And then NAS is the same. I'm sure SPX is absolutely the same. There you go. Everyone's in money. If you took those trades I called out early, there it is. I called out the 5-minute, 15-minute, or 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. It's only the 15-minute sell stop. And there's our entries. I'm going to go ahead and drop my take for a little bit more down. Let's dip down a little bit. And there we go. And there it is. And there's that trade. So that 400, might as well just say $500 count is now a $7,000 count. I'll withdraw the money this afternoon, this evening, bringing that back down to about $1,000 or so, and leave it in there, maybe a little under that 500. Because I like building these small accounts for you guys so you can see it live. At any rate, we'll go ahead and wait for some more sell stops opportunities that come up. Um, is it a fill in the gap 1 hour on the US 30? Well, no, it's you always go to the one that actually is. So it's a fill in the gap 1 hour? No, well, kind of, but that's not how you read the charts. It's a 15-minute clear. You always go in order: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. I can't go into too much training because there's scammers. Sorry, Brian. But what's up, Paul? Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Miss Angela Taylor. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, Paul. Well, hold on. Let's go over there. All right. So you'll be looking for these 1 minute sell stops whenever they come up. Take another 1 minute sell stop on all three indices whenever they're coming up. When Jimmy Hustle comes on, we're going to try to go live. Douche. These people. All right. Anywho, where were we? All right, let me pull this over real quick and we'll show everybody where we're at. Let's see. Let's go to live. Let's go to homes. All right. So the YouTube channel that I'm heading over to is mine, obviously. And it is the safety trade. It literally says the YouTube channel safety trade, just to be clear. But anyway, it's a safety trade. You can see that there's over 542 videos. The last 10 months, every trade I've ever done live. Here it is. We're going to come down to here. 55 people watching. How many? Oh, no, that's not acceptable. If we don't get more than 55, so we need at least the high 30s, if not 40s, with thumbs up, or I'm out of YouTube. I'm not going to stay there for 1 second. Oh, he threatens all the time. I don't care. It's not a threat. I'll just do it. It doesn't matter to me at all. So anywho, let's take a look at what you guys got. Good morning. And is that everybody? Really? Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Peter P. Again, correct. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, Metal Mind. Good morning, NS. Good morning, Candle Envy. Good morning, Spencer. Good morning, Peter P. Good morning, Candle Envy. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Cuban. Good morning, Mariana. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Gavin. Good morning, Becky. Yay. Good morning, Leela. Good morning, David. Good morning, Kamala. I'm so happy. We brought up our YouTube videos from 1% females to 3% now. Yay. Max Jax. Good morning. Morning, Peter P. Already made money. Good job, Peter P. Tanny. Good morning. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Aaron Maines. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Philip. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Peter P. Good morning, Wealth Creation Project. Good morning, Memlock. Jose. Good morning, Wealth Creation Project. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Brian. So grateful to be here. Another day above ground. Sounds a good day. Good morning, John C. And there you go. So that's everybody that's there. We have to pull up a whole bunch of different things, but let's get over to here. And sell stop 1 minute. Look for the sell stop 1 minutes on all three indices, whether they're US 30, SPX, blah, blah, whatever they are, look for them, okay? When you find them, take them. I'm going to be a little busy here for a minute. I got to respond to some guy, some coder dude, and different things. All right. Morning, Maximum Overdrive. Good morning, Maximum Overdrive. Good morning, Desmond. Love your cars, Maximum Overdrive. Holy shit. If you like cars, go to Maximum Overdrive's channel. That motherfucker is crazy. He has more great cars than I've ever seen in my life. I'm driving around in a Hyundai and Bree bought brand new Hondas, and this motherfucker has, oh my God, Maximum Overdrive has nicer cars than anyone I've ever seen. And I've been at multi-millionaire houses before, homes before. Nobody has a car collection like he does. I'm sure there is. I haven't been around it. So you should check out his channel. It's amazing. It's fantastic. Unbelievable. Anyway, so can't speak highly enough of his car. Just fucking, I'm doing okay in life, and he makes me feel like a poor pauper. I don't know why he has a system. Oh well. But anyway, awesome for him. Thanks, Kevin. Oh, that's the Memlock. That's you? Oh, I didn't know you were Memlock and Maximum Overdrive. That's funny. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? Friendly ghost here. Good morning, Abe. Good morning, Harry. Morning, Brad. Did we get the likes up, or do I have to kick out of there? 40? I don't know if I'm sticking around on YouTube. I'll see in a minute here after I'm done with a few calls. 1 minute sell stop for minute. Yes, I just mentioned that. Every 1 minute, I'll change this too so you guys are clear. Sorry, we'll go over that. And then let's take this out. So we're just going to, everything that has a 1 minute sell stop take on the three indices. I got to do stuff. I got things to respond to. It's going to be a minute before I get to these trades. When Jimmy Hustle comes on, please let me know. When Jimmy Hustle, if you're here, please let me know. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, King Nelson. Thank you, Harry, for bringing that up. Yes. Good morning, Desmond. Now, oh, all right. Now, we need to get over to here. Give me a second. Yeah, okay, sure, douche. You attach and later remove the AA from chart. The smiley would be gone, but scanner values are still there. Okay, but EU will not work as it is removed. I don't follow that. I've used EAs for 5 years. I know exactly. And can't be any clearer. I'm telling these people, sell stop 1 minute. Hold on, I want to bring this back up. I don't want this to sell stop 1 minute US 30. I'm sure NAS, SPX, all of those. How much time do I have? 14 minutes, 15 minutes. All right. Made money SPX and NAS. Great job, King Nelson. All right. So, oh, shit. 15 minutes to market open. 15 minutes to market open. 15 minutes to market open. I'm paying these clowns to do something with an EA, and they sit over here and try to argue with me. Oh my God. Oh, oh, some of them just lack common sense. Oh, let's see what we can do here. Hold on. All right, let me make some call outs real quick. I'm going to start with gold. Let's go with gold. Gold. Um, oh my God, these guys. All right, gold, gold, gold. 1 minute buy. You're too late. 5 minute, 5 minute gold. Um, Make sure you have your sell stop in place for all three indices that we follow. 15-minute gold buy. I mean, 30. It's too late. It's too late. Where's it going to? 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minute, 1 hour. Where's it going to? 30 minute. Gold for any 1 minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. Then look for any 1 minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. That's all you can call for gold. Gold, 4 hour sell stop. Gold, daily buy stop. That is gold. Amazon, Amazon, 1 minute. Oh, this freaking guy's driving me nuts. Holy crap. Is he, what? I literally said to remove them, please and thank you. God, are you insane? Remove any and all things that have to do with trading. Leave what I asked you to do in the EA. How much clearer can I get? Oh my God, these guys. Okay, I'm not answering them again. We have to go. All right. This is Amazon. Amazon, right? How much closer? Amazon 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Amazon 1 hour too late. 4 hour daily. I can't go after that. That's all I can after Amazon. This is U.S. oil. U.S. oil 1 minute. I'm gonna go ahead and say buy stop to the blue line. Yep, buy stop to the blue line. You're probably a day late and a dollar short on that one. Um, 1 minute, 5 minute sell. It is a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. U.S. oil. 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop. 1 hour, nothing. Daily, nothing. It's already done exactly what I said it was going to do. It's going down to the blue line monthly. That's all I can call them. There's nothing left. EURGUB. EURGUB. 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. 5 minute. Nothing. 15 minute. 15 minute, 30 minute. EURGUB. Sell stop. 1 hour, fill in the gap, sell stop, daily, buy stop daily, buy stop weekly, buy stop weekly, but whatever, don't care, no one's trading that shit anyways. GBP, JPY, 1 minute, buy stop to the blue line, 5 minute. It's gonna turn into a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop, GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY, 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop, GBP, JPY. Too late on the week, it's going to the monthly buy in GBP, JPY. UDCHEF is the same thing as ERUSD, just opposite. ERUSD 1-minute buy stop, already called this a while to the blue line. ERUSD is going to turn into a 15-minute sell stop. ERUSD is going to do what it already has done, the 1 hour to the 4-hour blue line. It's already done it. Why even bother at this point? You're too late. Daily, weekly buy stop ERUSD, weekly, monthly sell stop ERUSD to the monthly blue line ERUSD. XRP, 1 minute to the blue line's already happened. Perfect trade. Perfection of a trade. Buy stop to the blue line right before your very eyes. Whatever. 5-minute sell. It's going to turn into an hour buy. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop XRP. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop to the daily blue line, which it already did. Call out once. I just, whatever. God almighty. Weekly sell stop XRP. Monthly buy stop XRP. Ethereum. 1 minute. 1 minute Ethereum. Buy stop, I'm assuming it's going to its blue line. It is, whoa, yeah, it is. Ethereum, 1 minute buy stop. Damn, that's far away. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's going to form a 15. Then it will form a 15-minute sell stop. Play that. Ethereum, 1 hour, 4-hour buy, daily buy. Ethereum, weekly sell. Ethereum, weekly buy. Bitcoin, I'm already in a trade on this. 1 minute buy stop to the blue. Watch where it's going. It's going to look for every buy stop to the 1 minute on Bitcoin. Take it. Then it'll be a 15-minute sell stop, probably 15 or 30. 15-minute sell stop. 4-hour sell stop. Daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. UEB USD 1 minute. I'm assuming this is a buy stop to buy stop to the blue line. I already should have been in that one, but take it if you can get another good entry. It's going to turn into a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. Then it's going to turn into a jack nothing. And then it's going to turn into a 4-hour sell stop. Then it's going to turn into a daily buy stop, GBP USD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line and ER USD. They're the same. Just follow that. It's easy. 1 minute sell stop, SPX. 1 minute sell SPX. I believe it's going to rise up to the 5-minute line, then hook and come back down, but whatever. 15-minute, nothing. You should already been in the trade and made your money like we did, like I did. 30-minute, nothing. 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop. Did I hear about this up there? 1 hour buy. Yeah, 1 hour buy. That's for SPX and NAS. 1 minute sell stop. But I do believe you're going to see a push up at open, and then it's going to, let me draw it out for you. This is what I see happening. I can see this occurring right here on the 5-minute. So watch, it should arch up and then come back down. If it doesn't, just play your downs, but that's what I think it's going to do. So where was I? Let's hope for that nice big pull up, in other words, is what we're looking for. About 15-minute, nothing. 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop NAS. 1 hour buy stop SPX. 1 minute sell stop NAS. 1 minute sell stop SPX. US 30. Yeah, I believe the same thing. You should already made your money on this. You should already be fucking so rich. It's unbelievable. 1 hour fill in the gap. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4-hour sell. Beautiful. Daily, daily, daily buy. Daily buy. Weekly, daily buy. So that might break soon too, but anywho, right now we're going to play this to the 5-minute, just like I'm drawing it out. Let this come arch up, and then we'll hook back in. I'm going to go ahead and call on this entry for us. I'm going to make this a fine. Just put your daily buy stop over there. But at any rate, let's just watch this close on the 1 minute then. This is 1 minute. Let me put NAS over here. All right, this is 1 minute. Yes. All right, so now we're in place at least. Let me answer this guy. Oh my God. Okay, I'm on it. Thank you. Jiminy Christmas. How many times you gotta tell the same thing? Oh, Lord. All right. I think I whipped through all those fair enough for you. Um, when is it all going to come crashing down? On your weekly monthlies, I'll show you. ERUSD weekly sell stop line. This is what it looks like. I would say to all come officially crashing down once it gets below 1.04, whatever the hell it is in ERUSD. It's going to be going down to the monthly blue line below this down to here. These trades can take a long time, or they can. Oh, you're in the money. Hold on, they can take a little time. Let me go back over here. Sorry, sorry, sorry. All right, this is your SPX. If you're, I'm sorry, this is your NAS. If you're in the NAS, you're in the money on the sell stop. I didn't take that trade. I have one trade open. It's a US 30. I have two Bitcoin trades open too, but this is the NAS. You're in the money on the NAS right now. You're still a sell stop in US 30, and you're still a sell stop in SPX. So there goes NAS down before your very eyes with the correct call. You're in the money. Watch SPX join it in just a second. Now, why don't I have my third chart? Where is my third chart? Where are any of my charts? And I can't pull it off. Okay, well, I'm taking this away. I don't care what he says. We're going to go to US 30, 1 minute. Okay, US 30, 1 minute. You're in the money on your SPX trade before market open. Enjoy that. Have fun with that. We have 3 minutes and 3 minutes. We have 3 minutes to market open. You're in the money on SPX, 1 minute sell stop. The US 30 is a 1 minute sell stop. The SPX is a 1 minute sell stop. They're all 1 minute sell stops. Our logo has formed. This is not the first time it happened. This is the second time it's happened. We're already in and on a 15-minute anyways. I'm still in that trade, so hopefully you guys are too. Are these companies still using fiat currencies? Yeah, everybody uses currencies. No one's not. A lot of red on the screen. Yeah, that's how we trade. Mike's truth. He must be a first timer. All right. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Lewis. Again. Good morning, Marlon. Good morning, Sam UK. What's up, Sam UK? Kim Bernard, trade appreciation. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Apollonia. Good morning, Marty. Good morning, Nelson. There you go. And Bree saying good morning to you all. All right, market open in 3 minutes. You're already in profit on your NAS 100. You can go ahead and take profit on that and get out of that trade if you want. You're up 4 or 5 pips. Feel free. I still want this to pull back up to the 5 minute line, arch back up, come up, touch this thing, come down. But I think we're going to get the fill in the gap. Get where is my where are my charts at? Hold on 1 second, guys. Yep, let me take this one over here. Let me do this. Let me go here. There we go. All right, let's hope for a pullback here real quick. I open and then we can grab the rest here. Oh, sorry. There we go. Really want to get you guys into a nice, good trade rate so you can make some more money. Now, you should have already been in and out of the 15-minute done trading, but whatever. Most people are greedy, want to trade 7 days a week. No, you shouldn't. Okay, now let's zoom this in a little. Sell stop. Yeah, let it come back up. It's got to reload. Give it a minute or two here. Sell stop 5 minute. Yep. Nope. I'm sticking with that. That's US 30. How are we looking on the rest of it? NAS. Yep, it's got to come back up again. That's NAS. Let me see. US 30 isn't done coming down yet. Let's look at US 30 as it falls. Let me go to 1 minute. There we go. You should have already been in the US 30 trade on the 15. If you were when you got in, entered when I told you to, you'd be up over 60 pips and done trading for the day. But no one likes doing that. So let's go ahead and make some more money. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 1 minute sell stop NAS. 1 minute sell stop SPX. I'm preferring it to pull back up on our 15-minute chart to this candle right here and come back down. Don't forget for 1 second that we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and call a 15-minute buy stop. And this is just off the top here. Matter of fact, I'm changing that. We're going to do a 30-minute buy stop on US 30. Have some buys ready. I don't think we're going to hit those by any stretch of imaginations. But even like on your 1 hour here, oh shit, less than a minute, less than a minute. Damn. Either don't trade. Remember my rules, 1, 2, 3. Don't trade. Markets open. Have some fun. Sell stop 1 minute. I'm going to place mine underneath here. Let that go up a lot is what we're looking for. 1 minute sell stop NAS. You can't. The US 30 is blown down. You just made 23 pips in a second. Take your profits and get out of the trade. Take the profits and get out of that trade. Look at US 30 go down before your very eyes. Look at the sell stop go down before your very eyes. Look at it drop down before your very eyes. Look at that shit. Take your profit and get out of Dodge. Take your profit and get out of Dodge. Take your profit and get out of Dodge. Just close down the trades unless you're opened up more than one. Then you can stay in the trade. Literally less than 20 seconds, you make 30 pips. Literally. Sell stop. NAS is still there. Hold on a second. Let me close. Look at that money on US 30. Beautiful. Let me see where we're at. We have the pullback on NAS. Let me go to the 5 minutes, see where we're at. Yeah, perfection. I'm going to raise this up right here to a sell stop. Now, if it keeps going up, obviously, we'll get into that buy later on, but not right now. Sell stop NAS off the 5 minute. US 30, you're in so much money you can't help but to be swimming in it. SPX, I don't really care what SPX is. There's our NAS. Wait for NAS to do its thing. If it never comes down, so be it. Make sure you have your take profits locked in on US 30. My take profit on US 30 is no less than about 16, 18 pips. Going down nicely, perfectly. Be ready for the buy stops on NAS if it keeps going up on NAS. These are our 1 hour buy stops that are in place right here. You saw me click just before. Not saying it's going to hit it, but if it does, take it by all means. You just wait for the trades to come to you. I still say absolutely perfection right here. I'm going to move my sell. It took off my thing. Hold on. Sell stop. Damn. Sell. You'd be in the money if I wasn't effing up to these fucking trades right now. Come on now. Sell stop NAS 1 minute. Sell stop NAS 1 minute. And just wait. If it comes down, you'd already be in the money if I did not remove mine. Oh my God, this pisses me off. Sell stop, you're probably in the money at least 10, 15, 20 pips. Take the profit and get out of that trade. There's no need to stay in that trade, period. Now, if you're going to get caught in it, don't do that. Please don't do that. Nothing at this point in time. US 30. Beautiful. 1 minute sell stop US 30 again. 5 minute sell stop. Let me NAS 100 again. Just wait for them to come down. You're in zero rush in this life. We're in zero rush. Zero, 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 anything. Just take your time on the trades. If this comes down and hits it, take the trade. Excellent. Look at US 30s back in the money again, and I don't think I had my trade in. US 30 1 minute um, is in the money, ungodly amount. Now they gave you a second shot at it. You're up 30 pips. Look at it go down, US 30. Watch NAS drop too. Watch it come down too. Look at US 30 rocket down where they gave you another chance. SPX is in the money. You should be out of the trade. SPX is up 2 pips. You're supposed to, rules are you leave 1 or 2. NAS is still up. Just don't worry about it. I'm not going to do anything with that. Look at US 30. Fuck, that thing tapped me out. So we made money. Can't complain, but I wish I was still in that trade. Yep. Well, you're up a shit ton again for the second time. Close down these trades. Now you're up 70, 80 pips on the trade. If you opened up 2, at least close 1 down, keep 1 open. The US 30 is perfection. Take that money and run. Do not stay in that trade. Do not stay in that trade. Okay? So you're in the money. I don't think we're gonna get another pullback on, let me check SPX again. Sell stop 1 minute SPX. Just hang out and wait. Again, when you get up 1 or 2 pips on SPX, you have to take profit on those. You just have to. There isn't a choice on that. That's a beginner stage. That is just what you do. Me personally, I like NAS. Oh, there you are. You're in the money again on SPX. It's the second time. Yep, that's your 1.8, $1.80. Take that $1.80 and run. You're in profit on SPX. You're in a shit ton of profit. More money than you can hope for. That's probably even 100 pips at this point. Let me see. Nope, 70, 80. NAS is still a 1 minute sell stop based off the 5 minute line. There's nothing else I can call for that. So you can put it right here and wait or not. Another one. Just wait. And if you don't want to take the trade, then don't play these small little ones. Wait for the buy stop later on. 1 hour buy stop. 1 minute sell stop. I'm playing this off the 5 minute line to be clear to you guys. Here is US 30 just rocketing downward. SPX is now joining it, rocketing downward. And we'll just wait. And there's NAS. And that's it. So all of you that are in the money, take the money, run. Again, if you just made 70 pips in about 3 minutes on US 30, close the trade. Oh, I have 2 US 30s. I mean, what do we got here? This is US 30. Let me see NAS real quick. NAS is forming. I don't like that. Hold on a second. 5 minutes. So give it 3 to 8 minutes. So give it 3 to 8 minutes, and we should see a change in NAS. Give it, if it takes that long, 3 to 8 minutes for NAS. Either NAS is going to shit off the pot, actually, to be exact. Good morning, Bootlegger. Good morning, Sam. I am. Good morning, Harry. Will NAS go to the 5 minute blue line? I'm not going to call that right now. Too silly. Kev, thanks on the NAS 300 on SPX. Also, the money too silly done for the day. Great job, 2 silly Siberians. Walk and go back. Was the NAS 4 hour? What was the NAS 4 hour? 4 hour? I don't know. Nothing. It's too late. NAS has nothing on the 4 hour. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. That's what it is. But don't forget, I would absolutely be looking at this 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop on that. La da dee da 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 dee da dee da dee. All right. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? We'll wait for a little pullback. It was just a fill in the gap. What a beautiful trade that US 30 was. Holy shit, that was some money. You did get the pull like I wanted. Not as close as I wanted it to do, but it was, pretty good on US 30, I mean. We're still waiting for the NAS to do its thing. And I'm telling you, within the next 3 to 5 minutes, you're either going to see NAS drop like the 5 minutes calling for, you're going to see it rocket upward. And I'm basing on that on the 5-minute line. So when you see NAS hit its blue line here in a minute, on the 1 minute, that'd be awesome. There you go. And let's see what this is right here. And we got to keep going up a little bit more before it engages our. I'm going to drop in some more of these other ones. The NAS buy. If you're doing the 1 hour NAS buy, be careful. And then let me go back over to here just a minute. And we're going to go back. Yep. Okay, I'm going to run them off the 15-minute now. And just wait. We're almost there. We have 26 seconds left for the next 5-minute candle to form. And that's what I want to see. This is what I want to see what happens. Either we're going to see a huge ass push, which we just did. I realize that we're in the money on that buy. You can close the buy if you want. Feel free. Or you can leave it open if you want. That's up to you. And I'm telling you, when this next one hits, you're going to see a change. Beautiful. All right. We're up $42. We're up 39. Oh, shit. It opened up a second one. I'm going to take off one of my buys and close that down in about $12 profit. All right. Sell stops are in place. I'm going to move these up just a little bit. I have one buy open on NAS 100. So you can leave that open if you want. Feel free. We started a new candle. Oh, shit. Did I say that? No. It's a new candle. I'm right. NAS. Let's see. NAS 5-minute sell stop. I'm basing my sell stop off the 15-minute. We've just had it, and we just made $33 on our NAS buy. Feel free to take that money. Nothing I can call on US 30 right now. Just you have to wait. And SPX, you can have your 1 hour buy stop ready for SPX, but you got a long ways to wait. Unlike NAS, SPX is nothing we can do about it. So if SPX goes to its blue line, I'm going to go ahead and drop it. And then if SPX goes up to its blue line, we'll make a little money, but I'm not calling it. It's fun if it doesn't. Look at the, okay, I am very much in the money on our $87. Nice. Let me see why my time's in the backwards. There you go. $87 on my buy stop on my I don't know which one it is. On my NAS. I only have one open right now. I don't know which one of these it is. This one. Sweet. Put on that. Nice. All right. Next up, I still say this is going to be a down. Hang on for a minute there. I know it looks bad. Just wait. If we're on a 30-minute buy, take it. Yeah, we're in that buy. Like I said, we're in a buy, but don't be surprised here if we see this pull back a little bit. I'm just going to wait. 5-minute sell stop off the 15-minute sell stop line. 30-minute 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop. NAS. So if you're up money on your buy, $70, $80, what the hell ever. Let me see whichever one this is. If you're up money on your NAS, 30 pips, and you don't take profit on that, it's called being greedy, and you're a greedy pig. You deserve to lose. So don't do that. We have another opportunity for a 1-minute sell stop coming up. And I still want my 30-minute blue line touch on US 30. I still want that thing. I'm stubborn as fuck. Okay, we're about to make a sell stop on US 30 if it gets up a little bit higher. We need this indicator right here to turn green again. And then these to stay red. The box, most important indicator of the world, to stay red. And then we need these ones to stay red. So this is what we're waiting for on US 30. When we see this, I will take that trade. Hopefully we see that. Yeah, we'll be able to make some money. James, Jimmy. Where's Jimmy at? Morning, Angela. Morning, Pappy. Uh, Jimmy Lanning, are you here? You're supposed to be alive with me. I thought we could do a phone call in. I should probably test that. Hey, Precious, if you're here, can you call me? Let's see if we can do it that way. Precious. Hello. What's up, baby? I was going to say, hey, Sam, I am. Are you here? I was wondering if. Jimmy Hustle said Precious. That. Hello? Baby. I was going to say, hey, Sam, I am. Oh, are you shit. Here? Can you turn off your volume on your computer? Oh. Okay. It's. I wonder if they can hear you on the phone without causing that reverb shit. So you can see the screen. What's up, Carl? And you can hear me. Cell stop. 1 minute. US 30. Hold on. So you can hear me clearly, right? Because it's the phone. Yeah. And I wonder if they can hear you clearly. Can you guys hear Bree clearly, or is it repeating? Because gosh, I'm repeating. He said his hotspot and phone are losing connection this morning. Okay. No problem. Well, we're in the money on the US 30. Sell it, take your profit and get out. You're in the money on US 30. No need to stay in that trade. You're still in the money on the US. So you guys can hear Bree, Sam, Bootlegger, Kim. Can you guys hear Bree on the phone call right now? Yes or no? Angela, Pappy on TikTok. Can you guys hear Bree talking? Because how else are we going to do this? Because if it doesn't work through phone call, we can't do a Zoom or we can't do a thing, and he doesn't have a 1,000. I don't know what we're going to do. Yes. Okay, so they can hear you. Thank you, Peter P. Thank you, Bootlegger. Thank you. Memlock is car guy. I told him I've never seen such cars in my entire life. In the money on your US 30 again. You're in the money on your NAS also. Sell it again. Look at that US 30 go down. Look at the US 30 go down before you guys. Okay, so if they can hear you, I think we're good. Look at that US 30. You're up 30 pips. Sell it or lock in your profit on US 30. Sell or close your trade unless you have more than one open. Come on. Or lock in your profit, either or. Wow, look at that. There you go. Look at that money. All right. Precious, anything else? I love you, baby. Maximum overdrive. Maximum overdrive. All right. Thank you. And this is going to work then, so they could just call in. That's the easiest solution of all. What the fuck? All right. Love you, baby. I love you. Thank you, Precious, for doing that. Thank you guys for responding. Look at that money on NAS and look at that money on US 30, baby. Woo! $100 off that 30 pips. Oh my gosh, in seconds. In seconds. Look at that. Boom, 172, 90 on my buys. These are the ones where I had to close down these other trades. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Beautiful. Take that money and run unless you open up more than one. Now I have my other accounts going and I have this stupid thing I'm trying out with this EA thing. But at any rate, these are just my two trades. I had to close down my big one. I got tapped out. Like 25. Look at it go up. Look at it go down. Look at it go up. Look at it go down. Take that profit, guys. Oh my God, look at this money. Printing money as usual. This account you're looking at was $6,800 and it started at less than 500 last Monday. Just so we're clear. There it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop out and take out a shit ton of money over this afternoon, this evening. I'll withdraw. I'll probably only leave another 500 in it or 1,000. But there's your money. There it is. $500 count into 6,800. There it is. There it is. Look at it go down before your very eyes on US 30. Just called it. Just got in myself live with you. There it is. 100, 200. Look at it go down. Look at it. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Do we hear a choir of thank you, God? Thank you, the system. Thank you, God. Thank you, Bree, for keeping Kev here so he doesn't get fed up with everybody and leave. Look at it. There's your money. Take it. Take it. Take your profit. Don't be greedy. Take your profit. Don't be greedy. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Damn, kicking fucking ass. Yes. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, can hear Bree. Thank you, Pappy. Thank you, Tarson. Who out there in TikTok land is saying thank you for the money this morning. Thank you for the morning, God. Thank you for the money system. Thank you for the money, Bree. I don't need any thanks. Don't want it. Really, definitely don't even want to be here, to be honest with you. But I do this for the love of you guys and, trying to help everybody in the community. But whatever. See, mastermind. Thank you, God. Metal Mind. Kimbar, thank you, God. Boom, baby. What's up, McCain? Woo! Everyone's saying 3,000. Thank you, guys. Okay. You guys are making 3,000. I only have 300 in this account. I think I have like 1,000 for this other one. Look at it go, baby. Da, 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 da. Go. I'm actually shocked. But see, I told you that in the next 5 minutes you're going to see that big push up. It's just one of those things. Don't ask. I play candles inside of candles. It's actually really, really advanced. I've never taught anybody it, and nor will I ever teach anybody it. So there's that. Let's see what US30 looks like. Oh, perfection. Perfection personified. Perfection. Bam, baby. That's done. If you want to get out of that trade, feel free. US30's done what it's supposed to do. Woo! 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. Oh, we still have more down. We still have more down on the 30 minute, 1 hour. Woo! 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. We still have more down. Play it down. When this goes up and forms another sell stop again, by the way, this green is the equivalent of this film gap right there. So it did perfection. When you see this again on the 30 minute, take the sell stop again. Take the sell stop again. Take the sell stop again. Trust me, it's going to do it again. We're going to make even more money. Now, again, if you guys are trading after the first time of 70 pips, and if you're still trading after this time of 70 pips, you're greedy pigs and you deserve to lose. So don't come looking to me. I'm telling you to get out of the trade. I'm telling you to take your money and run and go home and quit watching me. Leave. Get out of here. Shoo. Go enjoy the day. Go spend time with your kids or your wife or your husband or your nieces or your nephews or your best friends. Don't stay in front of this damn thing for hours. There's no need. Make your money and run. Jay Cochran does it. Everybody does it. Land 27. MetaTrader 4. It is MetaTrader 4. That's correct. Eagle FX MetaTrader 4. Look at that money. Pop. Pop goes the weasel. There you go. Mike Galinsky, awesome job. Thanks, Glow. Mike Glowinski, as usual. Thanks, Glow. Best friend, 40 years now running. I don't know how many of you have 40-year-old friends. Well, hell, we're 56 or 7 or whatever, but 40 years up. You know what I mean? Anyway, awesome. D Nice. Thank you, guys, for keeping Kev here to put up with us. D Nice. D Nice, did you make some money on that? Where's Eric at? Damn, gone it. Look at that money written. Woo! The Ric Flair drip. Woo! Here's the last 2 trades. I'm going to pull over my account why I closed those effing things down with pissing me the fuck off. So these are the last 2 trades that were triggered on my sells on this account. In the account history, you can see clearly that the buy that I had, which should still be open, I put my take profit too high, which is a stop loss. The stop loss generated me, listen to this. You guys don't know how to trade if you don't know how to make risk-free trades. $2,800. So that stop loss wasn't a stop loss. It didn't stop any losses. It just stopped me from making more profit because it tapped it out too early. At any rate, that trade was for my sister's birthday on 5/26. The trade before that was from 5/24. My last 2 trades in a $500 account were that amount, 2,800 and 2,400. So yes, I took a $500 account and we made it a little bit larger than that in about a week, week and a half. That's all it took. And currently I'm in 2 trades. Buy on NAS, locked in profit, risk free. Sell on US30, locked in profit, risk free. And there it is. And I can't even get you in again because it's still dropping. And maybe we can get you again on the NAS. Maybe. Freaking NAS robbery. Freaking gosh darn. NAS pissed me off. We should have made more money on that trade. I should have stayed in that trade longer. I got greedy and put my take profit too high, my stop loss too high. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, what else do we have? Money, 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 money. How big is it for that? Do you trade NAS 100? Yeah, we're in a trade on NAS 100. Oh, you can't see it on TikTok. Look over here. I have two charts open. That's your NAS 100 right there. Do you trade NAS 100? Yes, every day, all day, every morning, 550 different times I've traded NAS 100. We always trade NAS 100, SPX, and US 30. I trade them as one, actually. There's your money coming downward. You're in the money. What was the question about 500? Big red, hot, be nice. Fellow watches. No, I don't actually. That's funny. Think Kev Bri a great day. You too, silly Siberians. Thank God. You're glad you're here, Dion. How big a position was that 500? For the $500 I'm in, 0.03 and a 0.03 lot size. It's 0.03 on US 30 and a 0.03 on NAS. So no blue line for US 30 or SPX on 1 minute. So no blue line for US 30. I'm not calling that. No, it's already hit. First of all, stop. The blue line already happened. The trade that I called out, let's be specific here. Not only did it happen, I made a YouTube video at 5 o'clock in the morning. So maybe if you don't sleep in, you can see what's happening in the world. Watch. Go over to here. Go over to YouTube. This is my YouTube channel right here. Look. It's called the safety trade. 542 videos. Every time I've ever traded for the last 10 months have been done live. And every trade I'm ever in has been either called live or done live. Try that on for size. Now, if you go over to here and you go over to here, one of our members made a perfect trade. Update US 30 just hit this blue line. Go watch these videos. This video right here will show you where all three hit their blue line. This is where the 1 minute blue line was hit on the US 30. Go back and watch that to be clear. So don't make any mistakes. It actually happened exactly how I called it out. Matter of factly, with this line right here, let's go back over to it. Right here. This is my original call from last night, 16 hours ago, where I said NAS SPX 1 minute to the blue lines. They all hit it or came super, super close. 5 minute, 15 minute sell stops. That's what you're currently in. Buy stop to the US 30 for the other ones. You can see clearly that this is a buy stop happening before your very eyes. If you can't, you don't look at the system again. All right. So now where are we at? Did I answer everybody's questions? What times I just started learning, says user. I come on live. I was on live 5 o'clock this morning, Eastern Standard Time, but I'm always on at 9 8. Well, I'll say 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm always on live, minimum that, usually way before then. And if you're asking me for the trade sizes again, I can show you these. I don't know. And then I have some Bitcoin going, but that's on my other account. I have other accounts. This is the trade right here. This is $273. These are live trades just going on this morning. These are the amounts, the lot sizes, the volume, the biggest, how much you're putting in there is the 0.03. And that's what that is. And this $6,000 account you're looking at right here was started with less than 500 about a week ago. And it's all live documented. I doubled up these accounts, doubled up another account, blah, 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 whatever. I'm going to take out the money out of this one. I'll restart it again at probably either 500 or 1,000 or somewhere right in between there. All right. So I hope I'm deciding on a laptop, which is the best. I love Lenovo's. Chaos. Thanks. You're welcome. OGKY. I'm deciding a laptop. I like Lenovo. Some people like other ones. I don't know. I mean, I've had HPs. They suck. You can't use a real good one, but you can't use is the Apple ones. But I can't. You're not going to use those with this. Y'all got to make safe face shirts with Tuxie and a Bentley. That's funny as fuck. Hi, good morning. Okay, my bad, says Travis. Showing up late. Sorry if that was addressed already. No problem, Travis. Hey, Kev, would you mind trying to explain to me in an email how not to get sucked in timing? I know you don't want to do it here. Sure. No, give me your time in. No, Marty, let's do it live, brother. Marty M. Show me the trade you got sucked in on. Tell me the exact symbol and the exact time, Forex time you got sucked in. No problemo. Let's do it live. No childhood friends are here. This is my childhood friend, Mike Lewinsky's in the house. Yeah. Something's going good if one of my friends from 40 years is in here with me. I'm going to go ahead and say that probably does a lot of validation for you guys. You should think about that. Do $100, $1,000 challenge. Dude, I literally have videos of me doing $8,000 accounts into $7,000 accounts, $500 accounts into I'm not doing any challenges. I'll show you my trades, do the trade, show you the account, and you can and I bet you go back and watch them. Here they are. At the end of this video, I call where the hell's my double account? Hold on. We're in the live, right? One of our things, I gotta go over that too. At the end of this, NAS 100, Bitcoin, this video called out trades double. Here you go. Double 2 trading accounts. There you go. Go watch that live video where I doubled 2 trading accounts, a $1,000 and a 2,000 and 6,000 and 12,000. It's right here. Go ahead and watch it. There it is. There's no need to do any challenges. Get the F out of here. My challenge is I trade daily every day. Get out of here. What is the challenge? Okay, good luck on that. All right, Jacob, good morning. Marty M, good morning. He's our mascot. Oh, yeah, we should have the mascot. We should hey, Precious, I like the idea. Good call, man. That Tuxie's our mascot. That's funny. We should have him cartoonized. Tuxie's our little mascot. Okay, 1 minute fill in the gap, buy, stop, hopefully. 1 minute fill in the gap. Now, do not forget for 1 second that I am still absolutely this is a 15-minute sell stop on NAS. So don't forget about it for one it is still a 1 minute buy stop, fill in the gap. I'm in the buy stop. I'm in the you can see my line. I'm in profit. I'm taking profit. But for 1 minute, don't forget this is a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. Don't forget it. Yes, we're making money. Yes, we called it. Yes, we're doing okay, fine. That's great. Yay. Watch it go up. Yay. That's great. That's fantastic. Let me see if I can get NAS. Yeah, buy stop 1 minute, fill in the gap. Let's see what happens. If it goes down and taps us out, so be it. Gee whiz, we'll enter again. You use like 100 accounts. No, I make money for family and friends. I control. I have 7 Eagle FX accounts, 2 Hugo's Wave account, 1 Thinkorswim account. I have 1 Tradeovite account. I have 1 Nadex account, which I love, and I help family that are family, and I give them strong advice. I can't say that I control because I'm not a financial advisor, but I can say that I give extremely strong advice for their accounts, and I help them all make money. Funded accounts to me is just helping rich people make money. Or more likely, they expect you to lose and not make money. So when you fund the account, you have to pay for it, and then you don't pass it, and then they make money off of you. So those FTMOC stupid ass things I don't like. Now a lot, I mean, probably 100 of our members or dozens of our members at least have funded accounts. Tommy has a $950,000 funded account. He keeps 90% of every trade. Yeah, you can make money with funded accounts. I'm not saying they're bad. I'm saying they're not for me. I don't like funded accounts at all. I help family, friends, teach them how to trade, help them with, family with their accounts. Look at it go down. Oh my God. That one trade is $264. Bingo, boppo, bango. And it kind of looks like it's going down further, like it's called to do on this, the individual ones. What's the one you love? Nadex, nadex.com. Nadex.com are called binary options. All that means is do you win or do you lose? Low. So nadex.com, type it in. It is freaking fantastic. So when you go over to nadex.com right here, this is what it looks like for you, those of you on TikTok. You can right here. You go over to Nadex. I have no bone in the game. I don't know who the hell they are. I know nothing. I know they're American. That's fine. But what it is effing fantastic. All it does is smooth out any of these silly buy stops and sell stops and all that stuff, which works. Don't get me wrong, it absolutely 100% works. But the point being is you don't have to worry about eating anything. You can buy, like, I know where this shit's going, right? So because of Nadex, I can buy my contracts, my option contracts in the money, say on a buy stop going to the blue line on a 5 minute, and I can do it on ERUSD, and they do them every hour on the hour. I can buy 10 or 20 contracts. I can make $40 a contract and only risk 10. So that might cost me $400 if I lose, but it's 4 times that, 5 times that if I win. And boy, do I win. Those Nadex things are I have one I did it. I was just doing a dummy test account. I made $750 in like 5 minutes on it. Nadex is the shit, boy. That's the place to play. I do Forex with you guys 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, I do Forex with you 2, 3 times a day, an hour here, 2 hours there, every day, but Nadex is where the money's at, and my understanding is from Jose that Tradeovite on the E-minis is even more money, but I don't care. Nadex is it for me. You either win or you lose. You either know where it's gonna be and close above it, or you can close them down early, by the way. Oh, look, you're in the money. You're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on your NAS. I'll get back to Nadex in a second. Remind me of that. I'll get back to NAS in the money, like I just said. 1 minute buy stop, fill in the gap. Just did it before your very eyes. Depending on your entrance, you'd be up 14 pips. Close it out. You don't need to stay in it. I'm back up over $80 on that trade, 200 on my other, 210 on my other on my sell. Look at this money being made hand over fist. But Nadex just smooths out the market. You don't have to worry about stop losses. You don't have to worry about getting tapped out. You don't have to worry about anything. All you do is just make money. It's just the easiest thing. And I've done many training sessions on that with you guys. I think I marked the one Nadex trading $750 profit. I was laughing because this is a dummy account. It was an easy trade. It was a joke. But boy, you can make money on those particular trades. You're in the money and out on that. You're welcome, Chaos. All right, now what else we got over here? Oh, my bad. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Kevin Bri. Good morning, Jacob. Hi, Kev. You mentioned that Naz is going to drop back down. We're playing a 1 minute buy stop fill in the gap right here to be specific to you. I'm 100% from you. This is still a 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop. Yes, exactly what it is. And in a 1 hour buy stop. That's exactly what it is. Now look at this 1 hour buy stop. We were up hundreds of dollars, and if this dips back down, for instance, oh, I got trapped in. No, you didn't. You got greedy and didn't take $100 off the table. It doesn't look like much right here, right? Oh, I'm in this trade, and look, and oh, and I didn't make anything. Oh, yeah, yeah, you did. You made 50, 60 pips. And if you didn't take that, you're a greedy pig and deserve to get slaughtered. Am I clear? Take your money and run. Now, can it come down? Yeah, it is a 5 minute dirty. So now it is a 15-minute sell stop. Yeah, NAS 100 is a 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop. Until that either dissipates, the box is broken, it is still a 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop. Oh, but you just said it's a 5 minute fill in the gap, and it was, and it is again. It's a 1 minute, not a 5 minute, it's a 1 minute fill in the gap buy stop. You make 15 pips on it the last time. The entrance that we made right here that you currently see, oh, we're about to tap it. Yep, just tapped it. That it was 40 pips up. We made all of it, 50 pips up. We made all of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put another buy stop on my 5 minute. Watch. Because it's going to come down, form our logo, and go back up again. If it doesn't come back up again, we're not out anything. Don't worry about it. La-di-dee, da-da-da. And if it keeps going down, we make money on our sell stop. This is, oh, I don't know what to tell you guys. Just do it or don't. This isn't complicated, though. Everyone overthinks it. Keith Palmer, the guy who's coding for us a lot, he says everybody overthinks things. They do. Either it's a buy stop, which it is, or it's a sell stop, which is a 5 minute sell stop. You can play it either way you wanna do it. I'm not here to you're an adult. I'm not here. I'm here to tell you this is a 1 minute buy stop NAS. I'm here to tell you it's a 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop NAS. You determine whether you wanna make it a buy, the blue line, and see if it goes back up again, or if you think it's a 5 minute sell, put it down farther and wait. You don't have to put it near the lines. You can put it down farther and wait. I would prefer a pullback up here on our, US 30, by the way, so I can get you in a nice, beautiful if we can. There you go. Good morning, Stefan. That wig down sucked me in, says Marty M. Nas 1636. Good morning, Jamie. Good morning, Jacob. Marty M. Marty M says Nas 1636 on the 5 minute sell stop. That's where I got sucked in. So 5 minute sell stop. Let's go to 5 minute. 16. I love this. Let's take a look at what happened. So everybody learns. What am I doing? 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. 5 minute, 16:30. Am I in the wrong time period? Oh, there we go. So right here, he's talking about. Well, on the 5 minute, I'm confused as all fuck. This isn't a sell stop. You can't enter this trade. On the 5 minute on 16:30, There is no green line. Then you have to wait for the closure of this green line. If you're telling me you entered in on a 5-minute, I'm telling you that's 100% impossible. You couldn't have entered in on this trade. And I can't get into details because it's live, like you said. But quite frankly, there isn't a sell stop to enter into. How did you enter into that, Marty, on a 5-minute? It is easy. Thank you, Kev, for the system. People just need to relax and let the truth come. Correct, Joe. I can't wait to bring in John. Woo! Be nice, super overthinker here. Be nice. Yeah. There's another fella too, Spidey, this one guy I love, Michael. Right. Yeah, it's gonna drop like crazy. You're rewarded if you wait, guys. Kareem Cater. Okay, Kareem. I don't know what you're talking about, but good. I hope you're using the system. Sounds like you're winging things. Good morning. Can't wait for a session of Monday. I can't wait. Hey, I love training you guys. This part is silly. All right. So now tell me again how you got stuck into that trade on a 5-minute chart market if you're here. I can't see what you did. There's no trade. It's all red. There is no trade on that trade. So if you get suckered in, it has to be a closure. You would have to enter in on the next candle. Am I making sense? Let's see right here. Make sure I'm talking not bullshit. Now we can go to the 1-minute if you want, but right now I don't know what this is. Yeah, there's nothing here. You have to wait for the closure of this candle that you supposedly got sucked into. By the way, looking pretty good on that 5-minute sell stop, huh? 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop is, and you don't get suckered in because it never caught my buy. Oh my gosh, look at the money. Now you're up $34. Now you're up $44. Now you're up $28. Take your money and run. 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 Sell NAS, sell NAS, sell NAS. Take it out. Close them all out. Don't come back later to me and say you got suckered into something. Take your effing money and get out of the effing trade. Lock the money in. I don't care how you want to look at it. Take your money and run. These 5-minute, 15-minute sell stops were just called out because Joe Laggio. Oh, what's up, Jay? Good morning, Jay. No, it was nope. Who was it? Someone's, hey, Kev, did you mention Jamie Rojo? Jamie Rojo just asked about the sell stops. And I said, yeah, it's a fucking 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. You're in the money on your 5-minute, 15-minute sell stops. Don't tell me you're not because I am. Close down your trades, make your money, and get out of the damn trade. Don't hold it any longer than you have to. Look at the money that you're pulling in now. Don't give me any shit that you're not in the money. You're in the money, $365 if you took the damn fucking sells like I told you to do. Clear? People do. I didn't get it. I don't know what to do. Get out of here. You're in the money. Take the money and run. Can I be any clearer? Look at it. Oh, it's going to turn around. It's going to go up. And it's no, it didn't. You got greedy. You're in the money. It might not be what you want. You might want 100 pips and it's only 5 or 10. But you're trading 1-minute trades. Are you kidding me? Look at it. So we had our 1-minute buy stop to the blue line. Now we have our 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop engaged. Everyone see it? How complicated was that? How complicated was that? Make your money, get the hell out. God, people kill me. Candle went above the line. You called out the sell stop. I placed it. Big down sucked me in. Okay, now I understand. Candle went above the line. Sell stop. What are you talking about? Nope, we're not letting this one go for one effing second. Bullshit. This is a sell stop. There's no effing way this is a 5-minute sell stop. Let me be clear, Marty. Let me be effing clear. Oh, God, TikTok. Look at this. At the time you told me this was not a sell stop, you have to wait until here for it to be a sell stop. You cannot call it that at this time. It has to close on the candle. The candle is not closed. If it's closed and it comes down and you take it, you actually had money to be made in that trade. I don't understand what you keep trying to say. There's no way you entered in a sell stop at that time with a 5-minute candle. It did not occur. There's nothing that occurred. It wasn't above it. There's nothing that happened. If it did go down, you should have took the money out when you're up 5 or 10 pips. Am I clear? If you're trying to say you entered it off of 1 minute, say you entered it off the 1 minute, which would have been right here, I'm assuming. Yep, that's probably where you were, because there's no way on NAS 100 at 1636, let me be clear, that this went below the red line. Look at it. Show me where it went below the red line on the 5 minute. Show me where it went below the red line on the 1 minute, Marty. Go ahead. Go ahead and show me. Show me. Now, if you mean to say that you got in over here at 1626 and you were up 5 or 10 pips on NAS and you didn't take it, then tell me that too. But there's never a time where it went below our red in and over line, over and underline, period. Am I clear? There is no way in hell you entered that trade on the NAS correctly. Am I clear? Anthony, I'll cool myself when I fucking feel like cooling myself. How about that, bro? This is called a learning time. When I see clear, the Bach is incredible, Metal McCain. You're right. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the trades you're in. Look at the money you're in. Chill on that, bro. Swear to people. See ya. Rush, you still online? Take care, everybody. I don't want to hear anybody on there. I don't want to listen to it. I'm not going to hear it. Thanks for the signals, Kev. You're welcome, Kareem. I understand where you're at. D Nice got a Discord. I want to help you out. Gold 1 minute bicep. Thank you, Kimberly. I'll check that one out. Marty, where you at, Marty? Don't leave. Please help me, Metal Mind. D Nice. I'm a little annoyed. I helped you. We went over things. You know exactly what trades to look for. Matter of factly, let's go ahead while you guys are all sucking in all this money right now. You're up 4 pips with multiple trades open, up hundreds of dollars with multiple trades open. I don't know how you guys trade, but there's my trades. $532, $570. This account started less than $500. It's up over $6,700. Well, actually, $7,200 now. All live, all done on everything. But sure, whatever. Don't care. Let's go over to somebody who actually, everyone in our Discord needs to trade like. Is John here? Is John C here? I don't care if I'm saying it and he doesn't want me to show him. I'm showing him. Look, look at me, stunned amazement. D, the only help you need is to learn this trade right here, period. This is the only trade you need right here. This fella, John Chisnall, called out this trade for us, two different ones, to perfection this morning. Don't tell me about getting suckered in when you're not trading like this actually he shows you. Not me. I am so grateful for John Chisnall. Oh my God, it was so much fun. He's new. Now our old guys, Kimberly and Tommy and Goroff and we had dozens and dozens and dozens of old time. Yeah, they're all great on it. Great. But this new group, I'm so happy for John. Look what he calls out. Look at these trades, what he calls out. He called out the perfect trade. This is the only trade you should be trading, D Nice. There is no help needed. It's a sell stop to the blue line confirmed on the 15 minute. This is a 5 minute, 15 minute trade. This trade right here is perfection. If you can't see it on YouTube, let me show you. This is the trade one of my members called out. Absolutely perfection right there. You go over to YouTube, you can actually see more of the TikTokers or whatever, and they are. So we'll leave it right here. This is the trade. This is from our Discord. This is he called two of them this morning to perfection. The only help you need is to actually study the trades that John Chisnall put up. Sell stop to the blue line, confirmed on the 15 minute. Over 20 different confirmations saying this was going to go down. Look at this trade, and let me go ahead and pull something out for you guys. Watch. Everybody on TikTok can see this. This is how you trade from now on. Watch. Watch TikTok. Watch YouTube. Watch D Nice. Watch Marty M. Watch. This is it. Now I'm going to pick on somebody. Who here wants to bring on? We're going to take out Anthony, whatever hell his name is. Anthony Riz. Anthony Riz. Here you go, brother. Rashimi. Anthony, this is you, bro. You're swimming in the ocean. So green means up, red means down in our business, right? So Anthony's swimming in our ocean. Watch. This little thing. Oops, hold on. Sorry. This little indicator here called our bullshit indicator right here. This indicator is green, so it's fake. It's what you guys would call a fake out, means up. The only one on this screen right inside of here that you're going to see that is, let me show you what I'm talking about. Right inside of this trade, this is how you trade. Screw everything else you think you might have known. Green means up, right? There's a red indicator. So this is what the Anthony's trying to swim above the water right here, right? Green up, green up. The analogy is he's swimming above the water, green up. Below him comes Kareem, grabs his arm, pulls him under. Then this red indicator, KD, it's called the RD, RD1, real direction one, real direction two, real direction three, is red. So then you have Tarson grabbing another arm. And then you have Moto grabbing a leg. So now Anthony's trying to stay above the water with no arms and only one leg. I don't care if he's freaking Michael Phelps on steroids, not staying up, but it gets better. The confirmation indicators, red, the Bach, the most important indicator in history of the world is red, means down. So someone's pushing him down. Breeze pressing him down. Be nice is pushing him down. The red candles, your damn candles are red. It's going towards the blue line, but you don't understand the importance of that. Then we have our logo. Then we have a down red arrow, right? 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 And now we have one, two, three, four, five, six people pushing Anthony under the water, and he's the only one trying to stay up. And then we have three people pulling him underwater. That trade has no choice but to go down. Then you come over to our 15-minute chart, 15-minute candles, our logo forms, down arrow. It confirms on the red. It retraces back up to it. Our candles are red. The Bach is red on both indicators. There's a fill in the gap. This indicator is red. This indicator is red. This indicator is red. This indicator is red. Now look at this TikTok. You have over 20 different indicators saying the trade is going to go down. 20 of them. You want me to draw out 20? I'm not going to do it. That's too many. 20 of them say it's going to go down. 20 of them say it's going to go down. 20 of them say it's going to go down. One little thing saying it's going to go up. I crashed the whole recorder. I crashed the screen recorder. That's funny as fuck. That's what happens. This trade had no chance but to go down. None. It was never going to go up, couldn't go up, didn't go up, wouldn't go up, and couldn't go up. It was only going to go down. Period. 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 Does everyone see that now? It's not hard. This stuff is not hard. I promise you it isn't. It is just follow the rules. Follow the damn rules, okay? That's all I'm saying to you. It isn't hard. It isn't hard. I promise you. Oh, this is difficult. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I don't know. I don't think I can do it. Come on, guys. Really? Please learn to trade for once in your life. Learn to trade for once in your lives. Actually learn the right way of trading. Once you do that, you're not going to have any problems. I promise you, you're just not. That's the whole way for us. Okay? Now, that's how you trade. Forget support and resistance. You're looking at somebody in our group, one of our members, John Chisnell's posted these up. Look at the trades and how beautiful they look. I know everybody wants to try to do Fibonacci traces. I get that. They want candle patterns and naming of candles, but it's the silliest, stupidest thing you could possibly ever do in your life. Just do what John Chisnell did. And by the way, John, contact me, please email us so I can give you a nice reward. Okay. Now, everybody good? All right. I hope you all caught that. McCain says, trust the system. The Bach is ruler. Yep, this is insane. Thanks, Kevin. It looks so clean. It's not that, Kev. I'm getting it more and more, but everything. Yes, you've helped me. Awesome. Be nice. Thank you, Kevin, Bri and God. Thank you, Annie, for speaking up. Yes, Marty, yeah, you do, but you need to go back and rewatch your training video 50 times a week for a month. And if you already did it 50 times a week for a month, do it for another month, Marty. That's how you're going to get better. All right. I don't know how much more I can help you guys with that, but hopefully some of that got through to you. Hopefully some of that got through to you. Now, where to buy the system? Let me move this. There you go. You can buy the system right here at thesafetytrade.com. Okay. Yes, I get hyper. Yes, I get passionate. I don't get, if you don't like it, leave. I don't give a fuck. It matters not to me about anything. I'm here to help you guys make money. I'm here to teach you how to trade. taking time out of my day, which I obviously don't have to do at any given time, but I am doing this to try to help y'all trade and to learn. And again, if it gets too much for you guys, then you don't have to stay. This is by no means anything that you have to stay around, okay? I'm not here to please everybody. I'm here to make the ones who want to make money, and I'll do everything I possibly can to help you make money. I sure hope to God you all believe that at this point, 'cause, I'm pretty sure you guys understand that I'm serious about this stuff. Look at that money. Holy shit. How much money are we up to? Look at these trades. You guys trade any which way you want. Go ahead and try volume and VWAP and all the other bullshit that doesn't work. But here you go. There it is. These trades were all done today and live. This was done in a 6,000 whatever dollar account. The $6,000 account started at less than $500. $6,700 account. I'm gonna bring it back down to 500 or $1,000 and double it up again for you by Friday, I'm sure. Hell, it'd been doubled up today. $300, $179, $173, $834. You guys saw every one of these trades marked off live for you. Every one of the trades marked off live. Look at it. I'll tell you. Believe what you see, don't believe what you see every day for fucking 10 months, 550 videos. Yeah, I don't care. Doubt it. $900. Look at it go up before your very eyes. $900. Whatever. Instead of trying to defend that, he needs to learn from it. So while everyone was saying, 1 minute, if I look at it, now we're over. I look down for a minute. Now I'm over $1,000. Look at it. Look at it. $1,100. Well, you should try the 0 to 100 account. I just made a fucking $1,000 for you right now. I don't do those stupid things. Never will. They pay me $1,000,000. I ain't doing. I don't need it actually. Get out of here. You want my fucking trades? I give them to you every day. You want my trades? I give them to you every freaking day. Every day, Monday through Friday, without fail. Look at it. Boom, there's your results. You want to learn how to trade? You have to unlearn all the BS you thought you knew about trading. Unlearn it. Then you need to relearn my way of trading. Look at it. 550 videos, 10 months, every day. All right, screw it. What's my win rate, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? What's my daily win rate, D Nice, McCain, Sam? What's my daily win rate, Tarson? What's my daily win rate, Dion? What's my daily win rate, Larry? Go ahead, tell them now. Tell everybody. I usually don't bring this shit up, but screw that. What is it? What's my daily win rate, everybody? Go. Go. And then go ahead. Oh, he doesn't win. He doesn't trade with us. He doesn't do why is he trading a small account? Why is he trading a big account? Why is he trading what the F is my daily win rate? And you guys determine whether my system works. You guys determine whether these are real trades. You guys determine if I've been on this thing for 10 freaking months every day, win out, win out, win out. My daily is no loss, not daily. I have losses within the day, but not what is it? What is it? What is it? Thank you. Thank you, Apollonia, for the kind words. Jacob says, listen to Kevin, forget your previous Yes. Okay, there is some. All right, we should have audio again on YouTube. Sorry about that one. Okay. YouTube's during the rant. I love these little passion explosions. This is Clintonio. So sensitive. Laugh my ass. Anthony Villalobos, so sensitive. Fuck out of here, Anthony. If you're calling me sensitive, get out. Don't need you, bro. Kevin, this is D nice. I can still hear you. Awesome. I am hearing on Talk Talk. Thank you, Angela. First trade and trade already paid for the system. Thank you. You're a blessing. Thank you, Sparza. Congratulations, Sparza. Thank you, buddy. You're welcome, Sean. Oh, Anthony's talking about YouTube. Please be clear, Anthony. I was about to tell Bree to ban you. I'm not playing. I don't need any of this. I don't need to be here. I don't need any negative people. We're just banning everybody and anybody that even blinks anymore. I'm not having it. Not doing it. I'm here to help you guys and not make friends. By the way, we have a long ways to go before we get a buyback. 1 minute buy stop, fill in the gap. What is this? NAS. US 30. There went all my predictions. All my call outs are missing too. Hold on. Ugh, dang on it. I got a little carried away with those arrows, didn't I? So we're we're in US 30, SPX and NAS. And then obviously we're hunting. Now we're hunting. Like Elmer Fudd, a hunting we will go, a hunting we will go. 1 minute sell stops. All three. And then I think it was a 1 hour buy stops, all three or something. I don't know. Just look for that. But I'll clean these predictions up, these call out signal in a little bit. Anyway, there's that. Oh, all my other ones are missing too, though. Gosh darn it. This over here a little bit. And this, like this. All right. Oh, you're in more money, by the way. Damn. What are we up now? Oh, that's US 30 dropping. Hold on. NAS still looks like it's rising. All right. Let me see NAS again real quick. NAS, 1 minute sell stop is forming. Correct. It's going to be beautiful. I can't get you into US 30. Let me see what the hell SPX has been doing. It formed a nice little sell stop, but that's about it. We're done with SPX. So let me go back to NAS. NAS is forming a sell stop as we speak. We'll go ahead and get in some more money for everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Tell all your friends, 50 or 100 of your friends, tell them to come in and watch, and then watch this make more money. It's going to pull back up. I'll show you what it's going to do. Damn, it took that away too. It's going to form our logo. It's going to come down like this. It's going to come down. It's going to come up like this. It's going to form our bull logo. What logo you might be talking about. And then on top of that, you're about to see, Lord willing, this indicator turn green, right? And then these two indicators right here will stay red like this and red like this. And then you'll see a sell stop form. If it forms that, I will tell you. It might only do a fill in the gap, which means we're not going to get a full green one here, but this little space right here will be our green. And then you'll see this hook and come down. I'm wanting it to hook and come all the way back up to that red line, that MA. Let's go zoop up and hook and come back down. That's what I'm wanting. Will it do that? That's up to God. It might not. It might just hook and come down right now, and I can't control that. It's called a fill in the gap when I'm not going to teach any more than I did. I even lost my arrow. Damn, come on. There it is. Zing, there's my arrow. So this is the fill in the gap, which is equivalent green. We want price to come up to this red line over here, hook and come down. When it does that, these will all stay red. This indicator, which is called the bullshit detector indicator, because it spots the actual bullshit of the AIs that we're going up against. And we can see what they're going to do before they do it. That's how I'm so successful at these kind of trades. And how I've been successful at these kind of trades. Oh, I don't know, for the last uh, 550 videos, 10 months. I don't know, something like that. And I don't see his indicator doing anything, by the way. Once you get started, does it tell you when you can start and who to set up? Oh, yeah. We want Sean 52. Your energy is better than coffee. Angela, that's funny. US3 has across the 15-minute price. I think as will follow the next thing or two. Uh, Blue lines, he said. Sorry. This is usually better. I hear you on TikTok. But okay, so here we go. Once you get started, I'll answer your other question about that line in a second. So after you go here and buy, right? So you come over to here, zip, 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 right there. You go to the safetytrade.com and you buy it. Then you get to what's called the type form. The type form looks like, well, maybe it looks like this. It says, "Hi, welcome," walks you through it. And do not forget for 1 second, please, that if you can't follow simple instructions, don't get the system. But it is very simple. You have to fill things out, you walk through it, blah, blah, blah. When you do this, right, it says, "Hi, welcome," and then there's a video, and then there's a little video. This walks you through everything. We tell you what to get, what not to get, how to sign the NDA. It gives you a video on how to send your MetaTrader 4 number. We hold your hand through written and video stuff as best as any human being can. We're pretty good at it. We've done this over 700 something times, so we're actually excellent at it. And that's it. And there's only about 10, and then there's a welcome and an ending. So there's about 10, 11 things. And after that, that's it. And this is your type form. And it's one after another. It's very simple, very simple. And then you will schedule yourself to be trained in a small group class Monday at p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then that'll be recorded. You'll rewatch that 40, 50 times a week for a month or whatever. And then you'll attend a 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock advanced class every Monday live, taught by me live, by the way. And then I teach you every week as long as I'm alive. Sometimes, like when we were in Vegas for 2 months, I might have missed, but I don't think I did even in Vegas. But anyway, it'll be Monday or at 3 or 4 advanced training. And every week you can ask me questions live. I'll answer your questions. I teach you live. And there's small group classes. And that's what you do. So we hold your hand after you buy it. Then I teach you live in a small group class at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I teach that for all newbies. And then at 3 or 4 o'clock, it's for all the experienced people to come back in every week for as often as they want in a small group. It could be 60 people in there. It could be 100 people in there. I don't care. But it's still just a small group. And I teach it live. And that's that. And that's how you do it. Oh, by the way, do you see it? Do you see it? So this was supposed to come back up and arch, but I told you might just do fill in the gap. It's doing the fill in the gap before your very eyes. Watch it drop down before your very eyes. How did I know it was going to do that? Gee whiz. I don't know. If you're in the money, take your money and get out of that trade. If you're not in the money from up here, you're in the money again here, whether you got in here or not. I don't know. I don't like these particular trades, but you're up 15, 20 pips on that. If you wanted it, take it. See it, go down, see it, see it, see it. See it? Now I still prefer it to arch back up again and give me what I want. But there you go. What's up, Jimmy Hustle? Jimmy, do you want to call in? If you want to call in, I can give you my number. Yes, Sean 52. I answer it. It should arch up. Yes. Oh, well, it should or will it is different questions. That's up to God. I'm here just to make that money. All right. Precious, are you still here? Can you email Jimmy Hustle or are you busy getting ready and stuff now? You are my friend, Kev. Thank you, Peter P. Talking about you too. 5-minute fill in buy stop gold. I know. Sorry, Kimberly. I know you called that out. Sam's calling it out. Have cost her 15 minutes. Let me answer Sam Clintonio's question about US 30. So he's asking NAS and US 30. Which one? 15 minutes? US 30 SPS have caused their 15-minute blue lines. What number do you want me to send it? My this number right here. Through this one right here. I'm sending it to you, Precious. Thank you, Precious. You should be getting ready to go out to Mama. 75, 25. All right. And then where am I looking at? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's see. I'm looking at something. NAS or something. No, SPX, I think. SPX. It hasn't touched the 15-minute blue line. Is that what it is? Okay, 15-minute SPX. Yes. NAS. US 30. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not because it's touched it, but fucking play every NAS 1 minute sell stop that you can find. Absolutely. Good catch. Whoever said that, Antonio. Very good catch, Antonio. I love it. absolutely play these suckers. Absolutely play them. For absolute sure. Look at that shit as it goes down before your very eyes. How easy is this shit? Oh, it's hard. It's rocket scientist. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's not that hard. Promise you it isn't. Let's go back to here and keep that up. Okay. Move this out of the way. God, 70 inches. I just got back to house. Let me get my system up. You don't need your system, Jimmy. What you need to do is be able to see my charts. And then Bree's going to send you the message and call me, please. That's okay. I made 300. Kimberly Harris said, that's okay. Let's go look at gold. 1 minute buy stop an hour ago. I'm sure she called this because she made a shit ton of money. 5 minute buy stop filling the gap. 15-minute buy stop to the blue line, which was called out this morning. 30-minute blue line on gold buy stop. We're going to the 1 hour blue buy stop. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say Kim made money on this. 4 hour sell stop gold. Daily buy stop gold. Play every 1 minute buy stop on gold you can. Let me get rid of this shit. Move this stuff over here. Look at gold shooting upward. Kim, congratulations. Sam UK, I think it was Sam UK. Buy stop filling the gap. Sam, congratulations. Kimberly Harrington, congratulations. Look at all the fun. These are more signals called out by my members of my team, right? Look at it. Look at it go up. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Gee, I wonder where it's heading to. Could it be heading to that 30-minute blue line? Things that may, oh, did it already hit its 15-minute blue line? 30-minute blue line. 1 hour blue line. Touched it. We have touchdown to the 1 hour blue line. What does that mean? Sell two, keep one open. If you have five, sell four, keep one open. That's my strong suggestion to you. I'm going to think it's going to still go up, but you'll have more opportunity to get back in. Look at it to the blue line. Did it touch the blue line? What blue line is that? It's just a magical magnetic blue line that attracts every silly little symbol out there to it. Whether it's on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, it attracts it. There's a 1 hour one. Touchdown. NAS is rising. Yay. Let's go with NAS is rising. Let's see what NAS is doing. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get it down to where we want it to be. Who on earth is ringing my doorbell? Could this be Jimmy? Jimmy. Who is this?
Yeah, that's me.
Haha.
That's me.
You're going to need to turn off your computer sounds so you don't hear double.
Okay. All right. Cool. I'll turn that down. Alrighty. So I've got your screens up on my tablet. So and I'm using TikTok because there's no delay. Well, actually, I guess I should go over to YouTube so that I can see both charts now.
Probably, and we don't care about delay. That's up to people. Can everyone hear Jimmy? Larry Cooper. Can you hear Jimmy on Precious? Can you hear Jimmy on TikTok? Can everyone hear him on YouTube? Yay, Jimmy. He's an engineer. Said, "Oh,
thanks, guys.
I'm doing is the rubber duck method." Really, the rubber duck method. That's cute, Metal Mind. All right, everyone can hear you. All right, what's your calls, Jimmy? No, it's too late. We'll do it again tomorrow.
let me switch so I can see both charts because TikTok is really limited to the 1 minute.
It's sucky.
The single chart, I don't really see both of them. So.
All right. Well, it's actually 1 minute, 1 minute.
There we go. I got. Oh, they're both one.
Yeah, but I can pull up. I can pull up the 5 minute for you, Jimmy. I can pull up the 5 minute for you.
Well, I feel a little comfortable being able to see the 5 when I'm calling one.
Okay. No, I agree. Well, what we're going to do is let's have Jimmy whip through all 14 symbols and see how he does trading.
All right.
No pressure,
Bear
Jimmy.
with me, guys.
All right. What I'll do is this. I can't pull up each individual, take too long, but I'll do gold.
Right.
Can you tell everybody what this was and if they should get in it currently?
All right. So we're going. So we're still how? Oh, is that gold up there now?
This is gold right here. 1 minute gold. I should tell you. 1 minute gold is what you're looking at.
Yeah, hold on. YouTube's not playing here right now. Hold on. Let me go back to TikTok. I'm only using the one because it gives me left to right. There we go.
I could pull you in through a clone and we use.
There we go. That's better.
Okay.
Oh, that's a definite buy stop.
Well, is it or was it?
Well, it was.
So they should look for an additional buy stop if
Yeah,
it
you should
forms.
look for it in the future. It looks like it's going to come back down, but that's definitely something to look at for a buy.
Okay. What about the 5 minute, Jimmy? We're on live with Jimmy, one of our members. He's teaching us all how to trade right now.
All right. So yeah, I went back to TikTok because the delay.
Okay.
Gives me too much anxiety. So, like you said, if I'm out here on the live, I'm not trying to give anybody bad signals.
Right. I'll interrupt you if it happens.
Alrighty. So yeah, I'm on TikTok. I've only got the right side of the screen there.
Okay. So I'll point to it for you. So this is the 5 minute gold. What just had occurred right here? What is this called? Do you know what that is, Jimmy?
That right there is the setup for a buy stop. Right?
Well, it's
that's fill in the gap.
Fill in the gap. Bouncing off our logo, right? So what does it start below? Sir. Let me draw for you. Tell me if I'm drawing this right.
Above the line or below the line, then above in the signal.
Area tells us come up.
Above the line and retrace.
Comes back down, touches it, and then poof, up it goes. And this is our logo, right?
Yep. Okay. Then retrace and then in the money.
Okay, seems like that one worked out really well. And Kimberly, by the way, and UK, Sam UK called those out for us, by the way. So they were very helpful.
And remember, they usually follow them up the charts from 1 minute all the way to 4 hours. So keep an eye on those.
Excellent, yes, sir. So let's take a look right inside of here. I'll try to help narrow it down. So inside of that rectangle, what was this, and where was it going to?
So this is going to be a buy stop right there where that little red on the bullshit indicator shows up.
Correct use of the terminology. Correct use of that terminology.
Yeah. And it kind of solidifies right there at the top. When you look, you got price above the 50 line, price below the 50 line, and then it takes off.
Muting. Hold on a second. Okay. We don't speak of anything specific, ever, for any reason. I'm going to put you on a 5-second time delay. All right, we'll go back to live. All right, let's do that again. All right, here we go again. All right, so this is a buy stop to the blue line on the 15-minute. By the way, let's interrupt what we're doing. We're going to go over NAS and then US 30. Let's go over.
Okay, those are my favorites.
Right? What is this now? Right, happening right before our very.
This is going to be a buy stop. Wait for that.
It's a sell stop. There you go.
You got me. Yeah, that's going to be a sell stop coming up. Wait for the green on the bullshit indicator. Okay. Get in under the line.
Okay, excellent. And then this is also doing the exact same thing for NAS. That's NAS. Can you see the gold that says the change of the name? And this is SPX 500 right here. So we're waiting for these to come up, form green right here is what he's telling you right here on this indicator. Right there.
Yep.
And then we'll wait for the trade. Okay, we're going to go back to gold then. And we're on the 15 minutes. Now we're going to go to 30 minutes. So what would this be called? And what does this look like here then? What is this?
That looks like we've got a buy stop coming up.
Well, or we were in a fill in the gap buy stop, right? So this.
No. See, I tend to I don't really use the fill in the gap
right.
Much.
They're not good.
They can turn south real quick, and I've learned that lesson.
But if we looked at this properly, where we had the 15-minute here and the 30-minute here, you would actually see the really perfect way of trading this right here.
Strong, yeah.
That was very, very strong, because then we hit our little button. We do live analysis right here. So we would see this 15-minute buy stop is actually on the 30-minute. What? Oh, you can't see both charts. Shit. Well, it is our logo again, where it came back down and touched the red line. That's what this is. So this was a buy. This is a buy.
Always looking for the bullshit indicator. That's the one.
That is the money. What is this 4 hour right here for everybody that you're looking at?
Ooh, that looks like a buy stop.
No, think about it again.
Sell stop. Sorry, I'm so upside down right now.
It's a little nerve-wracking when you're on live, guys. I know it is. People think it isn't.
I'm not very very nervous. So that's sell stop.
Where do we put our little sell stop?
And so you're going to put your sell stop in there, about a quarter inch underneath that.
Oh, yeah.
Line that you see there.
You're 100% correct, but let's not go that specific. Just say below the line. Jim's giving away all our damn secrets to the scammers out there. I'm just trying to avoid all the scammers. That's all. All right, but excellent. Also, that is a 4-hour sell stop, right?
Yes, sir.
We're on a
all
4-hour
day long.
And we're going to look at the daily.
One too.
Excellent. And what is this daily gold now? What is this daily gold?
This daily gold is a buy stop.
Strong, isn't it? Looks beautiful.
Yes, and I would recommend that you guys get your bet taken because it's going to go.
All right. Naz is a 1 minute. So yes, we've been calling those out. Jimmy just called those out for us. Yes, sir. All right, so y'all can hear Jimmy again. So we're going to go on to Amazon. This is an actual stock. I love this. Actually, I even though I'm not a financial advisor, I always feel if I own this, I actually own Amazon stock and I own XRP. So I always try to let people know in case they think I'm biased or some shit, whatever. All right, what is forming here
Amazon's got a 5-minute sell stop
this is
coming up.
1 minute. We're on a 1 minute chart here. Sorry, Jimmy.
Oh, that's the 1 minute.
Yeah,
okay,
you can't look up here.
Sell stop coming up.
It's a 1 minute.
Yeah, here, I'm looking at the top. Yeah, that's bad.
There, watch it flip. There it is. 5 minute what?
Okay.
It's actually a 15 minute. 15 minute.
15 minute. 15 minute is a buy stop.
Correct. Quick 15 minute buy. 30 minute nothing.
You can still get in on that one.
Yeah, absolutely. Where would they get in at, roughly speaking?
They would get in just above the line.
Okay, somewhere above the line.
Above the line. Above the line.
There you go.
The line. That's where we want to go.
Nothing.
Definitely a buy stop there.
Nothing. You're correct.
No.
Yeah, right. We're on a 1 hour now. What was the 1 hour?
Buy stop coming. The 1 hour is obviously a buy stop.
It was a buy stop right here, but it's not obvious to some people.
Yeah,
see how
waiting for it to retrade.
It came back, went over, formed its buy stop. The first time's always the best, right? And boop, up it went.
Yep, it always is.
And that's a lot of money right there on that one. All right, let's keep going. We have a daily. I can't. The indicators break down because they did that split, so the indicators don't work on higher time frames. They work on a lower time frame.
Okay, so there one buy stop's already formed.
This is oil.
Amazon 1 hour oil.
This is oil 1 minute.
That looks like you've got a previous buy stop and you got another one.
Correct. Coming up. 5 minute. Anything on oil? If there's nothing, it's nothing.
Minute. Okay.
How about the 15 minute? 15 minutes clearer, isn't it?
Well, yep, that looks like a sell stop coming up.
Correct.
Another sell stop coming up. Or actually, that looks like you're in one, right?
I don't think we're in it yet. No.
Not it? No?
No. You can't be because look how high up we are. We're way up here on the price.
Yeah.
So we want to go down to there somewhere. So that's a 15-minute sell stop. 30-minute, nothing. Right? 1 hour, it's way entirely too late. Look at, it should have been what, 4 hour ones.
Yeah. The 4 hour, whoa, look at that one. Yeah, you'd have been in the money on that 1 hour.
Yep. This is a 4 hour now, and this is a daily. Okay, back down to the blue line.
We still.
Yeah. You hit the blue line. Now, what should happen? What should happen? Should oil go down to this blue line right here?
Yeah, I think it will.
It should, but this is where the government interfered. They bring in all kinds of bullshit. Well, no, it didn't. So, no, it needs to come back down here, and it should come back down here. Will the government not buying back the oil because it buys back oil every other country? They bullshit oil. So be careful with that. Should it go there? Yes. Will it go there?
Oil jumping.
Probably. Yeah. What is this? Just look what you missed right here.
There we go. There's a nice buy stop coming up right now.
Right, but what was this? It was a buy stop to the blue line. Yeah. 1 minute. My God, they gave us money.
I love that blue line stuff. When you get that action track between those lines, there's usually a good, respectable, solid couple of trades.
Absolutely. That is so true. Okay, we're going to look at XRP 1 minute. And it's kind of messy, but it did go to the blue line and a buy.
Wow.
That's XRP.
I don't know. I don't like it. I personally, well, it says that probably, let's see, that says the sell stop there to me.
So now look,
I wouldn't personally get into any of that.
Right, it's a mess. Exactly, Jimmy. It's a mess. The 5-minute isn't
there's too
clean.
much going on.
What about this?
I personally,
Even the 15's messy. What about this third one?
not so bad. It's not so bad. That looks like a good sell stop there. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I was talking about the page. That looks like a good buy stop there.
Correct. Clean. The first clean.
The lower time frames look really sketchy to me. I probably wouldn't bother with those for a little bit till they get a little more.
Yep. This is the 4-hour. Green, red, green.
Already in the buy stop.
Yep. Should have been in it.
Could have another one coming.
It's probably going to come back and repeat itself. Yes. Look at this trade I've been calling out since. Well, actually, the first time was February the 14th. This time would have been right here, 424. Look at what this trade is. It's a broken buy, but it's still a buy. It's green, red, and this is broken. But we can verify this with the higher time frame to make this true.
Yes, sir.
But it was going to the blue line. You remember me calling this the last week or two?
Yeah.
To the blue line?
Yeah.
It was the daily. It's already done. The weekly. What is, and oh God, and I own this. What is this? This is the weekly XRP. What is this? It's going to where?
Oh, the weekly XRP. Oh, the sales.
So we're going to go ahead and say, hell no, the system's going to be wrong. I'm not calling that because I don't.
Okay.
Guess where the blue line is? Guess how much that is? 20.
Looks pretty far away.
32 cents. I don't want to hear it. Let's go over to the monthly. You might not be able to see the monthly clearly, but this is actually
the monthly
a buy stop.
Yeah.
We have a buy stop on that. Yeah.
Yeah, I've noticed that those monthly on some of the charts don't have some of the indicators, but I think about that unless you already know about it.
Yeah, because you don't have enough trading history to have it. On my computers, my older computers, we have enough trading history.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Ethereum, USD, Ethereum 1 minute.
That is a sell stop.
Correct.
Like, in there too.
Yes, sir. 5 minutes. It wasn't a stop.
It was a sell stop.
Gee, did it go down and touch this? What is this? The 15-minute. Yeah.
Ooh, the candle did, but the wick, not the candle.
The wick went past it.
So, yeah. Oh, it did go past it.
Oh, yeah, it's past it. That's with the wick. Not the
question is that I don't have an answer for. Will it do it again?
That's when you play your sell stops on the way down to see if it does it.
Okay.
Yep. What is this? I wonder what this could be. This is a 1 hour. 1 hour Ethereum.
1 hour.
What would that be?
Okay. Oh, that's definitely a buy.
Is it confirmed? Yep. So it's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It is. The Bach. If you look right here on the 1 hour, Jimmy, the 1 hour, the Bach is broken. So that sucks. That's horrible. But not on the bigger trend. But watch this. The 4 hour, what is the Bach? Right here. See those big green ones? So that's still a buy on the 4 hour. And then on the 1 hour, it broke to a sell, but that's not accurate. The 4 hour rules. So all it did was come up over hook, form our 4 hour buy stop, and that's what currently is happening.
Right. So there you go.
Okay.
Sorry, it's hard to see it one at a time. Plus, like I'm out actually like 50 feet off the river right now.
Oh, jeez. I'm so sorry.
So like there's delay and snaps in my internet right now.
You're doing wonderful. You're doing fantastic. It's not a clean sell stop, but this is a Ethereum USD daily weekly. But this is still a sell stop to the blue line, by the way, even though you have a little trouble maybe reading this one. Trust me, that's where it's at.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I could see that. I could see where it's got good indicators to go down. But personally, that's like another thing that I get into. There's too many. Not quite that good yet.
Okay. All right. Let's look at Ethereum, Bitcoin. Everybody loves Bitcoin. Please call this one. Okay.
I do love Bitcoin.
All right. What is this?
Oh, that's sir.
1 minute. What is this? You can't see it, but it's a 5 minute all red. So that's a 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minutes.
There we go.
This is
looks like that could be, yeah, so
yeah, well, it's red as red can be. Red as red can be. It looks like we're gonna have a higher
there you go, a little
buy.
fill in the gap sell maybe.
Oh, geez, we don't even have a good buy. This is the only buy we have.
And that's all the way at the top.
It's a 1 hour buy stop. This is a 4-hour
4 hours.
daily sell. Oh, this is nice. What's that one?
Oh, that is
daily.
looking. We're on the daily now.
Yes,
the 4 hour. It says here the daily. That's going to be a buy stop.
Okay. And it is a buy, but we don't have a blue line to head to at this time on this chart. We have a weekly.
It looks like it's sitting right on the blue line right now.
What in the world is this shit on a weekly Bitcoin?
No, that's a sell.
And it's bad. And that means going down to the blue line. Can you see that number I have up?
Oh, yeah. Oh, everybody get your Bitcoin sells in.
I'm not saying it's going to do that much like XRP. I'm hoping it doesn't. It just skips over our weekly and goes to monthly. But our charts are calling for that. And that's the beautiful thing about the system. Like this afternoon or this morning to this afternoon, I said the 5-minute buy stops, they never engaged. So you don't ever have to lose. If you put your sell stop down here, not on the line, but below it, somewhere down here, and all you have to do is go between the blue and the red. So if you put it down here somewhere and it goes down that low, you're going to make money if there's a sell. But you don't have to ride it all the way up here and get caught. You follow? We're not going for the most.
Put in your stop losses. Remember to make sure your stop losses are in place. Always. Yes, sir.
Amen. First thing you add in is a stop loss. First thing.
Yeah.
This is a buy stop on a monthly, by the way. Hard to see, but trust me, it is. All right. Someone, Kimberly, I think, called out gold. Let's see what gold is looking like. Gold is, no, it was Sam. 1 minute buy stop, gold fill in the gap.
Mm-hmm.
I agree with this. Jimmy concurs too. To me now, Jimmy, this is a great learning experience for everybody. We are too far away from the 5-minute. Remember our logo? What's our logo? It comes over retrace. Look where it is. Well, this is yeah. Well, this is a buy stop. This is not a retracement on the 5 minutes. So we need it to come back down. You see that?
I am still take the dogs out real quick. Yeah, they're not into the safe trade like I am.
Right? Silly old dogs.
Yeah.
But just remember, guys, is you have to let the 5-minute pull back down to the 5-minute line, then play your 1 minute buy stops again. Not right now. I wouldn't take that.
I make a lot of money on these between 1 and 5 minutes. Just learn how they move in correlation with each other. You can sit and make money all day, $10, $15 for the time and just back it up.
Yep.
Don't worry about the big trade.
Amen. No, you're right. You're right. Absolutely. Let's look at that NAS, by the way. I think the NAS volume made on the 1 minute is playing. Yep, look at that. You called it. Actually, we called it. You called it before it happened. You said it was going to go up. It's going to turn green. And now look at it. Sell stop the little line. You're up 20 pips. Boom. First call made by Jimmy. 100% there you go. Now let's see. Did SPX do it yet? I don't know. Kind of. It kind of. I think you already hit that trade. You might be up to 1 or 2 pips to get out of that. US 30 has not. What do you think about US 30? Should everyone play US 30 or only the big boys?
Me personally, it looks kind of choppy to me. It's definitely a sell stop.
But it's US 30, and you can lose your. You can.
Oh yeah.
You can be destroyed in seconds.
Well, that and NASDAQ seems like that'll take off really quick too.
But NASDAQ isn't as big. NASDAQ, if you have $1 in SPX, it's about 5 or 6 in NASDAQ, and it's about 10 in US 30. So every pip you're wrong on US 30, you can blow your account super fast. Very basic. Right. Let me see where we are. Oh, I just told you. Look how far away we are. Don't touch that US 30. I would not touch US 30. The NAS. See how the NAS pulled back?
Out there.
See that? Yeah. Now look at the NAS one. The NAS pulled back. Let me pull up NAS over here.
Way back there, all the way up.
Yeah, the NAS was. The NAS is correct trade. Oh, so show you what you're talking about. See, he's looking here and here. This is perfection. This is going to blue line. You can't ask for anything better. Look at this trade, and then let's look at the
NASDAQ looks a lot better than 30.
Yep. Then the US 30. US 30 is still too far away from this $5. I'm not saying this isn't going to work. He's not saying it's going to work. It's just not close enough. You can't see it.
No, I can see it a little bit. It's way off there. It's way off the blue line.
That's
like 30 or 40 pips.
Way too far. You just have to have the logo isn't far away. The logo shows that we retraced to it.
Right.
So again,
the blue line's gone. Yeah. It's not,
oh yeah, forget the blue line. Yeah, you're underneath the blue line. We're running. And as a matter of fact, I thought we were looking for NAS to go to it.
Say when this is my little weird measurement tool, blue line's no farther away from my finger at action time.
And there's a sell stop or a buy stop. I agree with you 100%. Correct.
Yeah.
Yep, 100%.
Oh, you turned the screen on me. Sitting here, what the hell?
I keep you thinking now. Let me see this.
Keep me on my toes.
15-minute. Yep. No, I really like the look. Play every sell stop down to this 15-minute blue line right here on NAS. That's on all of these. All we might only get to the 5-minute. Yeah, 5-minute first on this. Hits this sell. At least some of them. I have 3 or 4 open right now. All right, Jimmy, how was that? Was that fun?
Yeah, it was a little stressful, but I'm super happy about it. I know I'm going to get better. Maybe in the future, if I guest host again, I'll be.
Yeah, no, you did fantastic, man. Thank you so much.
Definitely right about the nerves being different when people are listening to you.
Isn't it wild? Because people think, oh, it's so easy, easy, but oh, bro, a couple hundred people listening to you.
But it's definitely fun.
But you did fantastic, and you'll see there's probably about 500 people watch this one and another on the other. You'll probably get to about 1,000 people you can call out. So
that's cool. I appreciate you guys, everybody.
Everyone, thank Jimmy. Thank you for coming on, Jimmy. You'll be ever known as the first guest learning guy. Now, again, this is the whole point, Jimmy, is for you to learn from this and to help other people see that you can see it too. You follow? So you're teaching them, you're teaching yourself. Yeah, and teach them. Because the more you can teach it, the better you're going to be. It's as weird as can be, but that's it.
No, it's true. Look, I'm not even gonna lie. I became a better concrete worker when they had me start trading crews.
Yes, exactly. No, that's truth. Truth right there. Yep.
And so,
exactly.
Yeah, I mean, I appreciate you guys. God bless you guys. I mean, look, literally, last year when I finished my work season, I had money in the bank. I wanted to try something different. I bought into algorithms and crap like that. $1,000 a month for this, and so I went through about $16,000 in about 4.5 months, realizing it was a bunch of bullshit. And then I came across on TikTok this guy calling out trades and singing and shit, and I told myself, I said, this guy's either out of his mind or he's making more money than he can stand. So I rolled the dice one more time and found out this guy's making more money than he can stand. So it's as real as you get. I'm definitely blue collar, 70 hour a week concrete worker.
Yes, sir.
And I just decided that something needed to change, and safety trade was the change I found.
Damn.
So you guys are out there, buy the system. It works.
How much do I have to pay you for saying all those things?
Nothing.
I'm teasing.
You already gave me more than I paid for. And I'm telling you, like, you get, when I saw the system, I said, this is a fucking gimmick. Excuse my language.
Yep.
Because it's unbelievable that somebody would share this at such a price, but it's 100%. Oh my God, it's so real.
Damn,
boy. Thank Kevin, thank Bri, thank all you guys on TikTok and YouTube. Awesome. Everybody, dude, this is awesome.
Thank you, Jimmy. Wow, that's great testimony. I appreciate you sharing that, and hope one day if you want to get out of that concrete work and all that, maybe you can get out of it, and have a little easier.
Oh, I'm not going back to work this year. I'm all the way.
Oh, nice. Wow.
I just passed my second $50,000 funded account. I just started doing this 5 months ago on his system.
Kick ass.
And so, I've got almost $100,000 in funding right now.
Woo! Kicking it.
So.
Nice.
So Oh yeah, that's good. Like I said, I'm camped out by the river. I said I'm done. I'm going full in. So I went and bought a trailer, and now I'm here in a peaceful place, making more money than I can imagine.
Nice. Damn, Jimmy, I'm so glad. Oh my God, my brother. Thank God, and I'm very glad for you. Very, very happy.
Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Thank God for bringing you into this world, sir.
I don't know about it, but all right, Jimmy. Thank you, sir. God bless. I'm sure we'll have you on again. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna bring on someone else next week. I might start doing this every other day or something. Everybody wants to do it. We'll see. I see a lot of people thanking you, Jimmy. I see a lot of people.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate all that stuff. Look, it's easy. When he says it's easy, when he says the money's there, just look at the charts and bring the money in. It's literally a license to print money.
It really is. But I think a lot of people overthink things. They overthink it. Do this and that.
Don't think of this as like the stock market like you know it. Because the stock market as you know it, most people is a gimmick.
Yeah.
It's
a scam. It's a scam.
Like I've tried and I've looked at it, even people that I know that do this. I show them these charts and they're like, "You're about to lose your ass." But I've made more money than the professionals that I know in the last 6 months.
Yep.
And I'm in the hole. So.
Yep.
So, yeah, it's definitely a way to make money. Even if you use it as a passive income, it's worth it.
Yeah.
If you can make an extra $20 a day, how is that going to change the average person's life?
Yep. $50 a day is like my mother-in-law. Yep. Right. All right, Jimmy.
All righty, I'll let you get back to the good movement.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, Jimmy, very, very much. Appreciate you coming on, brother.
God bless. Thank you, guys, dude. I appreciate the opportunity to be on here with you, and God bless everybody, and good luck with everybody's trading.
Sir, God bless you. Take care. Thank you.
All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
All right, guys, how freaking great was that? Our very first teacher of the day. How great is that? Huh? How fun was that? I even learned from Jimmy. Yay! Thank you, Jimmy. That was freaking awesome. So I hope you all can hear that and understood him. Now I'd like a new volunteer. Who would like to be the next teacher of the day? And I'll try not to interrupt as much. I know it's interrupting, but I wanted to get a little nervous on some of the calls. He did excellent, though. Who would like to be the next teacher of the day? And the reason why we're doing this is that you can learn the system yourself while teaching others. What does that mean? You're going to do what Jimmy did: make a few call outs, explain a few things, have fun for it. Wasn't that fun, Carson Black? That was fun. All right. Teacher for the day. It doesn't have to be for the day. It's going to be teacher for like a half hour. Teacher of the day. Teacher for like a half hour. Is anybody out there? Email us if you'd like to do that. Or go ahead and go in the Discord and send me a direct message if you'd like to do that. And we'll line you up. A whole bunch of people lined up. Looks like the phone call thing actually worked with all of them. I swear to God. I'm worried about this. I'm worried about that. We'll worry about getting videos on there, a video of the person later. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. All right. I'm going to leave TikTok. I'm heading over to, let's move this over. I'm going to head over to YouTube, make some final call outs. Sell stop NAS to the blue line. I'm going to leave you guys with the thought that I have these trades still open. That I still have these trades still open. Yay, us. These are my trades. It's going to go down to the 5-minute, minute blue line. No, was it the five? Hold on. It's to the 5-minute blue line, right? Hold on. Why is it showing 15? There it is. Yeah. I'm going to hold these trades until it hits that 5-minute blue line, but I'm going to go ahead and make a few more call outs too for you. So there you go. We're up $1,000, $988 on a $6,700 account. $6,700 account started at $500. And now we're up to $6,700 in less than a week. There you go. Jimmy Hustle. Thank you, Jimmy. Jimmy's on TikTok. Austin, heard your story and huge congrats on the $100,000 funding. Kind of great idea, Kev, to have some of your crew on here. Yep, I think we're going to do it.